Hello, this is Amanda May with Artist Design. The company sent me this Victorian style needlework set to open up, test out, try out, and show for all of you. I'm so excited for this because I'm a cross stitch lover, a cross stitch designer, and these tools will help me in my craft and hobby. So follow along and see what they look like. Is the box. I'm going to open it up. I was pleasantly surprised to see that it is engraved on the top, and then inside it has the different organizers to keep everything secure. Here's the needle case. It has embroidery needles inside. There's also the owl, or you can count with that. This is a thread cutter, and you can put it on a chain. This is a thimble, and this is a second style sewing thimble. Then there are the embroidery cards if you want to put your floss or thread around, and it has that little pocket on it. And then there's also the bodkin here that you can use to thread elastic or do waistlines and stuff with. So I'm outside and I just want to show you a couple different applications. The embroidery scissors are nice. They've got that Victorian era style to them. They cut nicely. And then I'm going to use this needle case and get out an embroidery needle, thread my needle for you. I really enjoy this set. I like that there's a lot of different applications, that bodkin for if you're doing sewing or hand sewing, and then I can use this for embroidery and all different types of needlework, quilting, hand applique if I need to. I like this thimble, perfect for your hand stitching if you need to protect your finger. And I really like the box that it comes with. It's really nice. Here's a thread cutter just to show you the different ways you can use it. There's got the sharp end on all around, so you can go ahead and cut that thread and not use scissors. Really neat. And here I'm using this to count stitches, but it's also an owl that you can use for various sewing and embroidery applications. So I'm really happy with this. I hope you enjoy.